You're in your 40s, juggling work, kids, the mortgage, and that 401k you set up years ago just sits there. You assume it's fine, but it's not. Most parents your age are silently losing over $100,000 to high fees and bad default funds, and they don't even know it. In this 4-minute video, I'll show you how to fix it in 1 hour. You'll learn exactly which fund to check, which to avoid, and the one move that could save your family 6 figures. Let's start with how that $100,000 disappears without you noticing. A few months ago, I met a dad named Mark. 42 years old, 2 kids, makes about 120 grand a year. Solid job, works hard. He's doing everything right. Or so he thought. His 401k balance looked okay, around $60,000. But when we logged in together, I asked him one simple question. Do you know what fund this money's actually in? He didn't. Turned out it was sitting in a target date 2050 fund with an expense ratio of 0.9%. That tiny number doesn't look scary until you run the math. Over the next 25 years, that fee alone could eat up more than $100,000 of his growth. One line on a statement, $100,000 gone. You could see it on his face. That mix of disgust and guilt. Like realizing you've been double paying a mortgage for 10 years. He looked at me and said, Alex, how do I fix this? That's what we're going to do right now. Step 1, and honestly the hardest, is just to look. Log into your 401k and find the word fund. If all you see is something like Target 2050 or Balanced Fund, that's your red flag. Those sound safe, but they charge up to 20 times more than index funds, and they bundle in bonds you don't even need in your 40s. Fees plus over-diversification equals a slow leak. Don't panic, you're not switching anything yet. Just write down the name of your current fund and its expense ratio. That tiny percent decides if your money's working for you or for Wall Street. Step 2. Compare. Take that fund name and Google it against an index fund from Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab. Look for something that tracks the S&P 500 or total market index. Here's the key number. If your expense ratio is above 0.3%, you're overpaying. Under 0.1%, you're finally keeping most of your growth. That one switch from Target 2050 to Index 500 can mean an extra 80 to 120 grand by retirement. And you can usually make that change inside your plan without any paperwork. 10 minutes of setup, not 10 years of worry. Step 3. Make it automatic. Set your 401k to invest every paycheck into that new index option. If your plan offers both traditional and Roth 401k, choose Roth for tax-free growth, especially if your income's around $120,000. Then leave it alone. This isn't about chasing returns, it's about removing anxiety. No more guilt every time you open that dashboard. Just 1 hour of attention and your money will quietly start doing its job while you get back to yours. So that's it. 1 hour, 3 steps, and your 401k is finally working for you, not against you. This isn't about being perfect. It's about being intentional. Most parents our age don't need more market news. They need peace of mind. And you just built it. If this video helped you breathe a little easier, hit like. It tells YouTube to show this to other parents who need it too. Drop a comment and tell me which fund you found hiding those high fees. I read every one. If you want a simple path from here, there's a Start Here playlist waiting below. Every video there walks you one small step closer to a calm, confident financial life. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. We'll fix the rest of your money system together. Because you shouldn't have to choose between family time and financial control. Now go grab that peace of mind. You've already earned it. Download free 1 hour 401k checklist. Comment checklist below and check pinned comment.